Much for tuning back into my channel. Listen, if you are seeing angel number 331, it is a spiritual symbol of enlightenment and personal growth. Okay, so I have these numbers written down. I got all of these messages, all of these downloads that I need to get out to y'all, right? So it is associated with your soul mission, right? And it urges you to follow your intuition, but to also use your unique gifts. God is giving you some unique gifts, and right now it is time for you to use your skills, use your talents, and use your abilities that God has given to you, that you've been blessed with, right? And your talents to fulfill your purpose, right? Because you have a life purpose. Everybody has a life purpose, but you understand what your purpose is, and God wants you to use your unique skill set. Don't nobody else has this. Listen, they don't have it. You have a unique skill set. And God is calling you to the forefront so that you can use your gifts, use your ability and your talents. Listen. So this number also symbolizes the presence of ascended masters, right? And divine guidance in your life, because you got some ascended masters that's walking with you. Your spirit guides are helping you on your spiritual journey because you have this unique skill set. Okay, because why? He's the one who sent you. You the Malak, you the sent one. You the one that's called. You the one that's chosen. And you the one that has been faithful. Okay, in spite of everything that you had to endure on your spiritual journey. Listen, he calling you to the forefront. So listen, it also encourages you to rely on your creativity. Because you very creative, right? You got a whole lot of gifts, a whole lot of talents, a whole lot of ideals. Listen, God been dealing with you with your, listen, he speak to you in your dreams. He give you visions. Okay, listen. Also, you got to rely on your intuition. You got good intuition. And you got a positive mindset for manifesting what it is that you want, everything that you desire, right? Because why? You co-labor with your angel armies. This number also, it emphasizes, okay, the importance of staying connected with your higher self. And you got to understand how to seek out guidance from your divine sources when needed. Okay, this is why I be on here, y'all, telling y'all and talking about the angelic energies. How you listen, y'all got to end them karmic cycles, because you got to understand how to cut off the karmic energies, okay? And clear your karmic debt so that you can manifest what it is that God will have you to, right? Because it's your birthright. Your angels are sent to serve you. So listen, if you seeing angel number 331, this is what it means. It means enlightenment. It means spiritual growth, y'all. Okay. And another thing, let me say this. Okay. Do not allow bitterness. Okay. Don't let it guide your actions. Let me say that. This is a warning for somebody. Okay? So listen, I love y'all. I'm going to be back. I got more angelic messages that I got to get out. I got more downloads. So I'm going to be back with another message. Okay? Love y'all.